Okay, so you need to hang something heavy such as a mirror or TV mount or really anything. I have found toggle bolts are the best use of your time. They will hold up strong. I showed that the other type of hollow wall anchors are weak and may fall right out. They often depend on the friction of the hole in the hollow core anchor, whereas the toggle bolt will bind both sides of the front and the back of the wall and hold it tightly. Okay, this is a recent renovation of a small commercial office. This mirror has to go back on. What I like to do is a dry fit first. Go ahead and hold it up exactly where you like. You can get scientific and measure it out. Once you're convinced that your item is level and plumb and you like the height, go ahead and mark the top of it. This can be with painter's tape. Okay, now keep in mind you've marked the top of your heavy item. Likely the fastening point is not going to be the top, so you need to measure down from the top to where the mounting point is. So in this heavy mirror, that's approximately 4 inches. So we're simply going to measure 4 inches from the top of our tape, and we're going to make a mark there. And that's where we want to put our hole for the hollow core anchor. Now, depending on which size and type of hollow core anchor or toggle bolt you buy, they will give you the size to pre-drill the hole. I love these quick release drills instead of the old traditional. All right, you're going to take your toggle bolt. This will be the side that goes inside the wall. You want to squeeze it in the hole and it's going to flop open in the wall. Now, in this case, I have a mounting bracket that our heavy mirror is going to hook onto that. So I want this to go with the screw. The screw is provided with the toggle bolts. Okay, we're going to thread it on. And then here's our pre-drilled hole. You're going to fold the toggle bolt down and it's going to flop open on the back side of that wall. Now you want to move it around so you actually hear it pop open inside the wall. And then tighten that down and that will sandwich it in the wall. That bites tight, sandwiches it in between the walls, so it's a super strong connection. Now we're simply going to lay our heavy item over the hook. Okay, there's heavy item number 1, done and secure. It will last for years. But have you thought of lighter weight items like toilet paper holders? They fall off and rip off the walls all the time. There's daily vibration use of those, so you still need super heavy duty toggle bolts for those. Let's fix that. This is a super cool design by Delta. It actually flips up when you're looking to change the paper roll. I'll show you that cool feature when it's installed. Now, when you have a new toilet paper holder, they will give you the template dimensions. If you can find a stud and mount it to that, that's a good starting point, but odds are where you want the exact location will not line up with the studs. In this case, we're going to make a mark. The kit provides 2 screws per bracket. Because we're doing the super heavy duty toggle bolts, we're actually only going to do 1 connection per side and it will hold up and last for years. They do give you in the kit a little teeny torpedo level to make sure that you're level. Okay, so take your toilet paper holder provided brackets. This will be what holds everything securely. You're not going to use the screws from the toilet paper holder. You're going to use your screws from the hollow core anchors, and in this case, the super strong toggle bolts. So just go right through the middle hole, thread it onto the toggle bolt, fold it enough to fit through your newly pre-drilled hole, and you want to hear it flop open on the other side of that hole. And now you're going to start tightening everything up. Sometimes you need to pull it to give it a little bit of tension or grip so it can bite down a little bit and it starts to pull itself up. And this one needs to be vertical. Wow, super, super tight. I know you can't feel it through the screen, but boy, that is such a tight connection. Flop it through the hole. Let it expand. Pull it so it feels good. Cinch it on down. Okay, let's get to these. You're going to have a little set screw at the bottom, Allen wrench provided. All right, make sure you install it in the orientation where it can flip up. That's how you change your toilet paper holder. This is a really cool design. Of course, all the product links will be in the video description down below. Okay, check out that cool lever design. So you literally just lift it up, slide the new paper over, and close it up, and you're good to go. What a beautiful design. Okay, when you're installing something heavy in a wall, or maybe not so heavy, but you still need it to last for years, toggle bolts to the rescue. I'm telling you, I've tested several different methods of hollow core anchors, and these traditional toggle bolts worked every single time without fail. Hey, I know you can do it yourself.